If you want to win on Turo, don't just buy random cars and hope they rent. That's how people waste money, get stuck, and stall out. The key to growing fast is proper market research, planning your fleet ahead of time, and running the numbers before you ever pick up a set of keys. My name is Trevor Calais. I'm the founder of Let's Go Hustle, where we've helped over 10,000 service members boost their benefits, turn their credit into capital, and their capital into cash flow with a done-for-you system that creates 5 to 10K additional per month in extra income from the Turo platform. I personally own over 40 vehicles on the platform, and every vehicle cash flows me $1,000 to $3,000 per car per month. And today I'm breaking down why market research matters, how to plan your fleet before you buy, and how running the numbers lets you scale faster. Just like I did when I started with 6 cars, ran them for 6 months, and then scaled to re-optimizing my credit and repeating the whole process. Most new hosts think if I just grab a car I like and throw it on Turo, I'll make money. That's the default belief and it's wrong. But here's what really happens. They buy the wrong vehicles for their market. They overspend on cars with low demand. They underestimate expenses and overestimate revenue. 6 months later, they're frustrated because the numbers don't add up. That's why so many people quit Turo. Not because Turo doesn't work, but because they didn't work the numbers first. Here's the new frame. Treat Turo like a business, not a hobby. That means conducting market research before you buy. Planning your fleet based on real demand, not guesswork. Running projections so you know what each vehicle should earn, and setting short-term and long-term goals for actual growth. This is not about trial and error. It's about clarity. When you know what to expect, you can scale with confidence instead of just gambling. And the reason we grow a business is so that we can scale a business. Here's how you actually do it. Market research. Look at your area on Turo. Identify what cars are booking consistently. Study pricing, availability, and demand. Don't guess. Let the data tell you what people want. You need to plan your fleet out. Pick a mix of vehicles that match demand. Economy cars, SUVs, maybe a few higher end plays once you've got the momentum. Know which 6 to 8 cars you want to buy before you even buy. Don't just think about one car. Think about how the fleet works together. You have to be sure that you run the numbers. Calculate expected daily rates, utilization, and monthly revenue. Subtract insurance, maintenance, and loan payments from those numbers, right? Make sure that each vehicle is actually going to be profitable on paper before you even buy the car. Make sure you start with a baseline. This is what I did. I started with 6 cars. I planned from the beginning. That gave me real data on what worked, what didn't, and what my market really wanted. Then you need to re-optimize and scale. After those 6 months, I re-optimized my credit, stacked more funding, and repeated the process. That's how I actually scaled on the Turo platform. Not by guessing, but by running numbers, building systems, and reinvesting strategically. And I'm gonna give you the reason why most people mess this up. They start with one random car and expect it to tell them the whole story. One car is not data. They ignore their local market and just copy what someone else is doing in another city. That's not gonna work. Every market is different, right? They over leverage without running expenses and end up negative every single month. You have to budget properly so you know where your profits lie, right? And then they scale too fast with no plan and then they end up crashing out. The truth is, Turo isn't hard, but it's unforgiving if you don't prepare. You have to think of it like this. Don't think like a renter, think like an operator. Renters think about one car, one payment, one booking at a time. Operators think in terms of fleets, numbers, and systems. When you plan your fleet ahead of time, you're already thinking like a business owner. When you run the numbers before you buy, you're eliminating risks. When you re-optimize your credit and repeat the process, you're scaling with structure instead of just gambling with luck. You're using your credit to go get more vehicles that you already know works. That's the difference between someone who taps out after one car and someone who builds a 6-figure fleet. Your one goal should be to scale your business to 6 figures a year. I'm gonna give you my exact play on how I did it, right? I picked the 6 cars I wanted from the beginning. I researched my market, I ran the numbers, and I knew exactly what to expect. I operated those 6 cars for 6 months. That gave me real data and consistent cash flow. And then instead of guessing, I re-optimized my credit, pulled new funding, and then repeated the process and went and got more vehicles. That's how I scaled. Not overnight, not with luck, with planning, structure, and execution. Yo, Trevor Calais here, and I appreciate you for watching this video. Listen to me, guys. Information without action is worthless. You've got the benefits, now it's time to actually execute. Text me the word YouTube to 239-329-0035 right now, and let's make something happen. I definitely have a system that can change your whole financial future. All you have to do is have a little bit of implementation. So keep grinding, keep hustling, and stay blessed. Now let's get back to the video. video. So if you know you want to start your fleet and you want 10 cars, go get 10. If it's 20, go get 20, all within the first week. I want to ask you something. How are you approaching your Turo business? Are you just guessing, buying random cars, and hoping that it works out? Or are you actually treating it like a business, running numbers, planning fleets, and setting goals? Because here's the truth. If you don't plan, you'll stall. If you don't research, you'll bleed money. But if you do both, if you start with the right cars, run them for a baseline, and then scale with credit and funding, you'll grow faster than 90% of people that are on that platform. That's the difference between being a host and being an operator, between dabbling and dominating. Listen, I know you're ready to dominate this platform. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start building your Turo business with real market research, planned fleets, and a system that scales, you have to text me. Text me the word YouTube to 239-329-0035. It's gonna come straight to my phone and I'll shoot you a text back. Let's run your numbers, plan your fleet, and build your foundation so you can scale faster, safer, and smarter. Because the goal isn't to survive with one car. The goal is to scale into freedom with a rental car business. Thank you, and I appreciate you for watching. Be sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.